Welcome back to Car Vibes. Today we're taking a nostalgic ride back in time to explore one of the most iconic and beloved cars in automotive history, the 1964 Volkswagen Beetle. This classic isn't just a car, it's a symbol of practicality, personality, and post-war automotive culture. Loved by millions across generations, the 1964 Beetle has earned its place as one of the most recognizable and enduring vehicles of the 20th century. Let's begin with the exterior. The 1964 Beetle carries the timeless rounded silhouette that became its signature. Finished in glossy black, it looks elegant, humble, and quietly charming. The front end features its classic bug-eyed headlights nestled into fenders that rise like gentle waves. The chrome-accented bumpers, running boards, and trim pieces add subtle style without being loud. Small turn indicators sit atop the fenders, and the tiny hood opens forward, a quirk that adds to its character. Its overall compact size and unique curves make it stand out in any crowd, even among modern cars. From the side, the Beetle's form is beautifully symmetrical, with that signature roofline arcing gently from front to back. The windows are small but proportionate, and the chrome hubcaps on painted steel wheels shine against the glossy black finish. Around back, you'll find the famous oval rear window, minimal taillights, and the air-cooled engine hidden under the small rear deck lid. It's a design that hasn't aged. It's simply grown more lovable over time. Step inside, and you're greeted by simplicity done right. The interior is minimal but charming, with a painted metal dashboard that matches the exterior body color. The ivory-colored steering wheel with its chrome horn ring adds a vintage touch, while the single large speedometer sits proudly in the center of the dash. There are no digital screens, no complex controls, just a pure mechanical connection between driver and machine. The seats are upholstered in soft vinyl, comfortable enough for everyday use, and the space inside, while compact, is cleverly designed. There's room for 4 passengers and a surprising amount of cargo space in the front trunk, located where the engine would normally be. Under the rear hood lies a small but faithful engine. The 1964 Beetle came equipped with a 1.2-liter air-cooled, 4-cylinder engine producing around 40 horsepower. It may not sound like much by today's standards, but the Beetle was never about speed. What it offers is reliability, incredible fuel efficiency, and a driving experience that feels intimate and connected. With a 4-speed manual transmission, shifting gears is a tactile, rewarding process. Acceleration is modest, with 0 to 60 times taking over 25 seconds. But once you're cruising, it feels smooth and easygoing. Handling is light and nimble, perfect for city driving, and the car's low weight makes it feel agile despite its modest power. Maintenance on a Beetle is famously simple. These cars were designed to be worked on by their owners, with easily accessible components and a vast support network still active to this day. Whether you're restoring one or just keeping it on the road, parts are affordable and widely available. In terms of pricing, the value of a 1964 Volkswagen Beetle varies depending on condition, originality, and upgrades. A fully restored, show-quality example can fetch anywhere from $18,000 to $30,000 or more, while good-condition daily drivers can be found in the $10,000 to $15,000 range. Project cars are even cheaper, offering a perfect entry point for restoration enthusiasts. These cars aren't just collectible, they're usable classics, and owning one means becoming part of a global community of Beetle lovers. That wraps up our detailed look at the 1964 Volkswagen Beetle. It's more than just transportation. It's a piece of rolling history with charm, simplicity, and soul. For those who value character over horsepower, the Beetle remains one of the most rewarding classics you can own. Thanks for tuning in to Car Vibes. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more classic car journeys.